What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage.
A little sharper than I thought it would be.
Oh man. Good morning, everybody. Shipwreck and I heading up to Crestline today to pick up yet again another vehicle for myself.
A daily, hopefully.
Yeah, I was looking for something stock as possible so I could have a good daily, so I could not only get to work but head up to POHBOYS and get my projects done faster. And I didn't expect to buy this type of car again. I've had it before, so yeah, I don't know. I think that's really about it. I'll show you guys more when I get up there, when we get closer, but right now I guess just enjoy this beautiful drive up to Crestline.
In 700 feet, turn right onto Battle Drive.
So cool. This is some crazy little streets, dude. Oh my god.
I think we didn't bring a bigger car.
Yeah.
Instead of trying to drive the truck.
Where's that? Oh, there it is. There's the car. Right there. We made it. Now we're gonna go check out the car and... Oh, there goes the body kit. Yep, there it goes. Oh my god. Oh, let's go check out the damage of the RX-8 now. Oh yeah, look at you, hit that. You went in there deep. Damn, dude. That was crazy roads, huh?
Yeah. Not a real fix, it's fine.
Yeah. It's nice out here. Not too bad of a purchase. I picked it up for 1,500 bucks. Nice little 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer OZ Rally Edition. Some stuff might need to be a little bit cleaned up because it's been sitting for a while. And we don't know how to get out of here. We're trying to go back home, or we're lost. Alright, so right now I'm in Crestline. I have to drive, oh yeah, and it has bald tires. So I got 4 super bald tires on this car, and I gotta drive about an hour and a half, but luckily it's not rainy, it's a nice day. What's wrong? Yeah, I don't know, man. So confusing. Made it back home in one piece on bald tires. These tires are super bald. I don't know if you can see them, but they're bald. Take my word on it. Made it though. Lancer ran really good. No complaints. Just weird driving a newer car again. But woohoo, it's awesome. Can't wait to clean it up and do some more stuff to it to make it feel like it's mine. And I'm back, baby. But definitely the first thing I needed was some brand new tires. When I bought the car, every single tire was completely bald. And so right now I'm over here at Annie's Tires, first thing in the morning. Got her a little early, he's on his way right now. He just showed up, ready to do all this, put the new tires on. Can't wait. There we go, Annie's Tires. Woohoo! Welcome back, everybody. POHBOYS Garage. Today we're gonna be doing some little things. Starting off with Shipwreck's RX-8.
New window motor.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, because he said the last one was getting hot, huh?
I don't know, just not working in the heat for some reason.
Giving you issues?
And summertime's coming, and I need my windows.
Yeah, right? And then what's up there? You're gonna get the
door panels, leather door panels.
Oh yeah, swapping out his cloth door panels for some leather ones.
I don't remember all my door clips are at. I had a whole bunch, and I don't know where they are.
It's a pretty cool shirt.
It's alright.
We're not gonna be doing stuff in here. We're gonna be going old school, going to the driveway where everything first happened. Back when we were first messing with the 240. What's up, killer? There. Oh dang. I don't know. We should let him free. We should grab him and let him out. Put him outside. That's a big guy. Oh, let's see. Oh, look how he's big. That's tight. Oh, look at let me look at it really quick. Oh, he's all blue underneath.
You're a star. You're on POHBOYS Garage.
Oh my God! Show me his mouth.
Hey guys. POHBOYS. Tune in next week.
Tune in next week. We're going old school today, man. Haven't been out here in the front yard and well since we built that, yeah, since that was built. Check it out.
Well, in summertime we don't want to do it.
All our dailies over here. Our X8, the BMW, and the new addition to the family. What's up, buddy? Damn, you smoke.
That's what the cool kids do. Hey man, nice guy, want some candy?
Alright.
Change of plans.
Yeah, change of plans. We're not going old school. We're, Joey showed up and we're just gonna go towards the front of the shop back there. So we're gonna clean up all the stuff over here and take the cars to the back.
Tire for the project.
Oh, okay, oh yeah, nice. So yeah, the check engine light's been on, and good old Joey here has a code reader. We'll figure out why it's on. Yeah, exactly.
Something simple, then we'll fix it. Something not simple, then we'll try to fix it.
Yeah, for real.
If something simple, we'll fix it. If it's something complicated, we'll try and fix it.
I'll try and fix it.
Somebody quick!
Somebody quick!
Somebody quick fix this! Cadillac converter, idle air control, IAC, PO6, cat. 2 cat codes.
Which are both cats.
And PO506. Idle air control system revolutions per minute lower than expected. Maybe your idle air control's bad.
Yeah.
And your cat's just fucked.
Yep. The 3 main pieces that need to be smog ready.
Haul it out and get O2 sensor spacers. That might work.
So I pick apart. Got myself another reflector because the driver's side one was missing. And happened to find the bracket. Time to put those on.
Cookies.
Oh, he found the cookies in the trunk. Cookies in the trunk. But easy little replacement. It goes on right here. Luckily the guy doesn't have the splash guard. It'll be easy to put on. Again, the interior looking beautiful. Let's check out the old interior. Here's the old interior. It's like that Ghetto Boy suede. 2006 Ghetto Boy. You know, here's that the leather seats he put in recently. He changed out the front seats too, and he scored a new little dashboard piece. That thing was broken for years. They all crack, huh? Isn't that like
a lot of people have broken ones.
Yep, not this guy.
Not the only one.
Not shipwreck.
Every time I went to the junkyard, well, I think I saw like 10 at the junkyard, and only 2 of them had not cracked. But the one that didn't have cracked that I saw first, they had ripped it trying to pull out a vent. They ruined a $100 part.
Damn.
And then I found another one just recently. Got it for like 20 something.
That's not bad. Oh, you got it? Is that the one? Woo! All right, that's awesome. Damn. Lawrence hooked it up with the little Voodoo Ride license plate frame. Put that on the daily. Gotta show some love for the cool brands that I like. Look at that. We're back, baby. Got the reflector. Got new tires. Took off the stupid little sticker that was right there. Gave it a wash. This is the next thing I need to do is change this stupid thing out. But I found a grill. I'm gonna be replacing that soon. Can't wait till it's fully operational. I can't wait till it feels like it's my car, like it's my baby. What do you got? Dang.
Killed Rick and put him on the trunk.
Another thing this guy did, he put on silicone hoses, which is like, okay, whatever. But when I went to go and smog it, they denied me. They said this was I tampered with the emissions. Which is stupid, huh? That makes no sense. They're just hoses.
Technically, you touched it. What considers tampering? It's not like you didn't.
Yeah.
This is your custom Rockstar energy.
I think so. So, when I was at the pick apart, we went to pick apart today. I grabbed a bunch of hoses. I got the hose. Got a bunch of different ones to replace all that, make it all stock again. And that's the whole point of this car, is keeping it stock, dependable daily, so I could make more video, make more episodes, and travel and meet this guy, say hello to this guy. This guy's struggling. Yeah, every time I film you, you're struggling.
With the car, the whole episode, every different part, I'm always in the background. So another car struggling with the tire.
Yeah.
Any episode that has Joey in the back,
Damn.
you should just be.
Well, this is bushing. It's all fudged up.
All right there?
Yeah. It's not supposed to look right there.
No. Do it. Nope. Not supposed to gargle like
that's
that.
probably why it's warping my brakes.
Yeah.
You see those warp marks?
Yeah.
Every time you hit,
It's going like this.
So
It's going like this, going back, forth, back,
going
forth.
back and forth as you're
braking.
Like,
And there you have it, folks. All back to OEM, except for one except for that one right there, that blue guy right there. Just need to replace that one little hose. And then I need to find the replacement inlet duct. The one I pick apart was smashed up and broken. This is way better. What? Yeah, they didn't have nothing with it, man. That's how Joey's progress is. How's your progress, bud?
I need a third hand.
What you need?
Just someone hold that like that. It's not gonna be hard to do this.
Oh, it's holding in place. Okay. It's going down. The motors?
moved it. So easy. Once you got the door panel off, it's just 3 bolts. Pull that off first, and then you can get to the clip. And
Nice. How's it coming along right now?
Just finish that bolt.
Yeah?
So all I gotta do is that. And then that's what's wrong with it. See?
Oh yeah. Dang!
So if this would have busted, it probably would have busted a bolt. And then this would have been like this. And then my wheel would have been like,
Your little portable press is cool, man.
so just one goes out, one goes in. Huh?
Yeah, pretty much. Dang, you had to go extreme, huh?
yeah.
Is it working?
I think so. It's cutting.
Oh yeah. Don't go too deep, huh? Damn, it's shooting everywhere. You want some glasses?
Sure.
Yeah, here. You bobblehead. You get something in your eye. It's all over the camera. Yeah. Probably. Yeah, it's a little bit in your hair.
Just pack it in.
No good?
No bueno.
Why?
The press we're using is shit.
Yeah, that sucks. Oh well. We'll get it done.
Stay at POHBOYS.
Yeah, another sad situation where the car has to sit here.
I guess I'll just go then.
Always something. Hey, welcome back. Always something happens, huh?
You right home.
Yeah. Oh, boof! Yeah, so we weren't doing too much today. Just some little things with our daily drivers. I hope you enjoy this video. It's pretty casual this time. Just tune in to the next video when I do more stuff to the 240. Get that thing running and dialed down so I can finally hit the tracks and burn some tires. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell so you'll know when I have more episodes coming out. Yeah, and have a kick-ass day. Woohoo!